Hello, everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks on a Saturday, June the 3rd. Tonight we are breaking Hit Parade autographed basketball jerseys. This here is a two-box break from Series 12. It is box 63 of 100 and box 95 of 100. We did random team sales, as you can see on the far left. Sorry, actually, this time we then alphabetize. We have already randomized both the customers and teams. We then alphabetized the customers so they could see who they had a bit easier. Gave them ample opportunity to trade. Everybody's uh, trades have been entered. Gotta rip it, rip it, rip it. So here we go, 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 go. Pop of your seal. All right, guys. Gonna just rip this baby up real fast. Whoa. Thing back. Boom. Oh, wow. Well, that there is, yeah, it's a player actually a few people in our room seek. Yeah. There is a Sean Kemp, and that is going to be a Supersonics jersey. All right, so Seattle is it's got a JSA sticker, but it's only got and a Finnerman hologram, but it's got the DA uh, card in there. Gonna assume, yep, the DA stickers on the neck there. So what the hell is Seattle now? Is that Oklahoma? Yep. All right, so that is an NW. Fine, he's one of the guys who always chases him. So that's a good hit for him. Baby's gonna go on home to Washington. So nice hit for N Dub there. Like that. Alright, guys, moving on, moving on. Get my dang camera to focus. There it goes. Pop of that seal. Sure who the heck that is, guys. It's oh, it's a penny. A likable player, guys. It is a Penny Anthony Hardaway that is going. Wow, man, look at that. That is pretty cool. It's got the basketball there with the whole thing, but that is going to be a Phoenix Suns. That's a cool jersey, guys. It is really cool with the basketball there. The stripes going across it. Wow, that is an awesome jersey. See, like that's one I'd actually like to have signed on the front, man, because that would look really great framed. Um, all right, so but who the heck has the Supersonics or the Suns? Phoenix Suns. Sorry, Supersonics was the last one. Phoenix. That is a C. Keen. She has lots of look in our room. Nice hit for her again. A very likable player. Join us at breakers.tv 7 nights a week. As you can see from the board, we break all forms of memorabilia. We're just getting started. And we go on about 8 p.m. Central Time and go until the room clears out every night. So make sure you stop on by. You'll find me, Gov, Gatsby, Jabo, and T-Roy, your hosts all there. So have a good one.